In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset a forgotten passcode on Trust Wallet. If you've ever found yourself locked out of your Trust Wallet because you can't remember your passcode, you know how frustrating it can be. Unfortunately, there's no direct way to recover the passcode once it's lost. But don't worry, there's a way to regain access, provided you have your backup phrases handy. Let's walk through the process to ensure you can access your wallet again as smoothly as possible. First, if you can't remember your passcode, you'll need to uninstall the Trust Wallet app from your device. This is necessary because Trust Wallet doesn't offer a passcode recovery feature. Once you've uninstalled the app, go ahead and reinstall it from your device's app store. Alternatively, instead of uninstalling, you can clear all app data. To do this, head over to your device's settings and find the Apps or Applications section, depending on your device. Locate Trust Wallet in the list of apps. There you'll see an option to clear data and cache. By doing this, you're essentially resetting the app to its default state without the need to uninstall and reinstall. After you've either reinstalled the app or cleared the data, open Trust Wallet again. You'll see an option that says, "I already have a wallet." Click on this. This will allow you to start the process of accessing your wallet without needing the old passcode. At this point, Trust Wallet will prompt you to create a new passcode. Make sure to choose one that's strong yet easy for you to remember. It's essential that you remember this new passcode, as it will be your primary gateway to accessing your wallet in the future. Now, you'll need to use your secret phrase to restore your wallet. Trust Wallet will ask you to enter this to verify your identity. Choose the option for a multi-coin wallet, as this applies to most users. When prompted, carefully enter your secret phrase. It's crucial that you've kept this somewhere safe, because this phrase is the only way to regain access to your wallet if access issues arise again. Once entered correctly, click on Restore Wallet. By following these steps, you'll successfully reset your passcode and gain access to your Trust Wallet. Remember, keeping your backup phrases secure and easily accessible is vital, as they are your lifeline to recovering your wallet in circumstances like this. I hope this guide helps you regain control of your Trust Wallet without hassle. Thank you for watching, and as always, keep your digital assets secure.